Melissa and Nikki here. I'm here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House, and I have found the HAKUNA MATATA playground. So if you've got kiddos that are ages 2 to 5 and you are away from the parks for a day, bring them on over to enjoy the playground. It is fantastic. And remember to book your next vacation, your Disney vacation with Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to assist you. Oh, and here's our playground. Awesome for our little ones. This is HAKUNA MATATA playground. Has lots of fun activities for little ones. So let's walk around here. Nice soft ground, squishy floor. Got a slide here. Our guests are having so much fun. You can play music if you want. You can row if you want. Yeah, so fun. And a nice slide there. Got a water fountain. And this HAKUNA MATATA playground is for ages 2 to 5.